3.
Hi, I'm going to be showing the furries and other stuff, and I have to make this quick, so sorry if it gets cut off. So this is my furry widow. If you have gone to see some of our other videos, you may have seen this furry. She's so cute. Like this voice, she does come with it. She has all rainbow fur, and I promise you the back is so soft. And the hair is kind of pink. Okay, here comes the crazy one. I forgot one thing with this one. Here's a close-up of her. Okay, now we're going to be talking about the other one. Okay, son, this one's so crazy. She's going to be disturbing some of the video. I'll get you a close-up. He likes to play. Okay. There goes Crystal the short one. Okay. This is the claw monkey. I just wanted to talk about some more things about it. If you've seen our other videos, you may saw him. It was just so amazing. My sister actually got it. And just for you who have not seen the video, it's T-Mac. And they have a little bit of video games. And they do have a claw card. It's a 12-second claw. And it only costs 50 cents. Okay. Here's Periwinkle. She's a snow fairy. And her hair is hard. And her wings are movable. Her hands. Her wings are really movable. Like these are movable. And they don't stay on very well. That's why we rubber band them. Okay, this happened today. This is the necklace I got from my dentist appointment. They give you tokens there, and they have a little bit of a toy thing. Here's how it is on me. Doesn't it look pretty? Okay. Bye everyone. Have a good day.